So we're gonna start outside like we have for every other video that you've seen up until this point. If you have missed the last 3 videos that we've done leading up to this point, please go back and check those out. But for now, I'm gonna start rolling and showing you guys exactly what we did in this space, starting with the outside gate. I don't think you've seen it at all anymore, and I want to show you how beautiful it is. We had this custom made by the contractor here. You can see it has a regular door handle. We're calling it a gate, but it's truly a door. It has a regular handset on it. It has a lock. It opens and closes so smoothly. It's just a beautiful entrance into this space. You can see here that we've got that walkway that we talked about with the exact same pavers that we use throughout the entire space. And then as we go through here, you're going to see this louvered wall. Remember, this is what is covering and protecting all of the noise pollution that's coming from the air conditioning systems here. But it's a beautiful way to do that that's very much different than what's typically used in our area. A lot of lattice is used to perform the same function, but we went with a different style, and I'm really, really happy with how it turned out. You can see how this kind of paver entrance leads right into this open space, and the retaining wall is done as well. This is the part that kind of is a showstopper. You'll be able to see some after shots of the night lighting that we have. There's some LED lighting that goes underneath here. You can see it's perfect for sitting. It's a seat wall. This is why it's called this. And then leading into here and opening up, you can see all the outdoor furniture. They have a fire pit area and then also a dining area. And then we also did a bunch of planters. And I want to show you what's really cool about these planters that the landscapers did. They ended up running drip irrigation to all of these planters, and that seems a little difficult, and it was difficult because it had to go underneath these pavers and kind of work into this hardscape situation. So I want to show you that it is possible for you to have drip irrigation to your containers if you plan ahead. For that, it's really something you do have to plan ahead for, because they have to run it before they do the patio and the pavers, but also you need to know where the placement of your containers are going to be so that you know where to put all of your drip lines. So you can see here, these things are perfectly, you can see the thin little drip line here. So all of these plants are going to do great here. They're going to survive out in the middle of this hardscape area, which typically is so tough for clients to remember to water their plants. I know I do at home. Things sometimes go there to die. So drip irrigation is definitely something you want to incorporate, and know that it is something that you can do in a big patio like this. So I'm going to stop talking now. I'm going to let you guys go back and see the before shots, and then we're going to show you all those beautiful afters as well.